The Bronco has already been a huge hit for Ford, but that hasn't stopped the Michigan-based automaker from kicking things up a notch. This is the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. It's an adrenaline-charged Bronco that is ready for action. Is it the Bronco you've been waiting for? We have a complete look right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, research Ford, and then select Bronco. We make it easy to find what you want fast. Due to production delays, the Ford Bronco had an admittedly tough start. But now, with regular models finally flowing through AutoNation Ford dealers, Ford has unveiled what is undoubtedly the most desirable Bronco of them all. The new Bronco Raptor follows a formula similar to the F-150 Raptor: more power and capability. Price as you see it here with options, $74,420 including destination. Dealer pricing may vary. Under the hood is a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6, producing up to 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with a retuned 10-speed automatic transmission mated to Ford's automatic 4-wheel drive system that provides power to all 4 wheels as needed. Much wider than the standard Bronco, the looks of this big boy are intimidating, as is the fuel consumption. EPA rates this race rig for the road at 15 miles to the gallon in town and 16 on the highway. Inside, Ford provides passengers with a thoroughly modern experience. Our test vehicle included the optional leather seats with suede accents. The standard infotainment system features a 12-inch touchscreen with all the features you would expect: support for XM satellite radio, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as configuration options for a long list of standard active safety tech. Adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist, collision mitigation, blind spot warning, parking aids, and a full surround view camera system with rear cross traffic alerts are standard. Going off-road, a trail camera gives you a front view with wheel tracks to help you thread a line through even difficult obstacles. In terms of off-road capability, you would have a hard time finding any trails that will be a challenge for this machine. The large 37-inch BFG KO2 all-terrain tires can claw up any hill. 13.1 inches of clearance and thorough underbody armoring allows the Bronco Raptor to clear almost any danger. Key components have also been strengthened to deal with the rigors of challenging trails. Articulation is also increased up to 13 inches in the front and 14 in the back. This Bronco Raptor means business. Even if you don't know much about off-roading, there are a wide selection of GOAT modes to help you adapt the Bronco Raptor to current conditions. Off-road, Baja, and Rock not only modify the engine and transmission output, they also adapt the suspension and articulation to enable the Bronco Raptor to conquer any challenge. Where some off-road vehicles stop being fun when the pavement starts, the Ford Bronco Raptor is actually really fun to drive every day. The suspension handles twisty roads with less roll than you might expect from an off-road focused vehicle. And if you want to have some fun, take off the roof for open-air motoring. If you're looking for the ultimate SUV, the Ford Bronco Raptor might be just what you've been waiting for. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from Ford. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Ford dealer today.